In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Outlook for emails, a quick and effective guide that only takes about 5 minutes to master. Whether you're hunting for an important message or trying to declutter your inbox, knowing how to efficiently search for emails in Outlook can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and simplify your emailing life. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Outlook account. Begin by navigating to Microsoft's official Outlook login page. This is your gateway to all the features Outlook offers, so make sure you've got the right URL. Once you're there, simply enter your credentials, your email and password, and click on the Sign In button. Ensure that your details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard. This area is essentially your command center, where you can access all your emails and other features. Now, what we need to do next is head over to the Mail section. Just look for the Mail icon or the Mail label on the dashboard and click on it. This is where your entire email management happens and where we'll focus our attention today. Having entered the Mail section, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. It's usually quite prominent and easy to spot. This is the tool you'll be using to search for your emails. Go ahead and click on the search bar to activate it. You'll see your cursor blinking, indicating that it's ready for your input. Here's a little tip. When typing into the search bar, try to be specific with the keywords you use. It might be the sender's name, parts of the email subject line, or any keyword that might be present in the body of the email you're trying to find. The more precise you are, the more accurate your search results will be. Once you've typed in your search terms, Outlook will automatically filter through your emails, displaying those that match your criteria. Now, you have the option to refine your search even further. Click on the Mail option in the results view if you want to limit your search specifically to emails, excluding other items like calendar entries or tasks. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively make use of the search function in Outlook. This will help you stay organized and easily find those important emails whenever you need them. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and get familiar with this feature. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.